Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap right now, we're currently sitting at $1.9 trillion. We're down 1.3% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance is currently sitting at 49.3%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin is still in a shaky zone right now. It is not stable. It keeps on going down between 49,000 to 50,000. So it needs to consolidate for a while before we do see newer highs. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than VeChain. Alright guys, if we're looking at VeChain's price right now, VeChain is currently trading at 18.5 cents right now. It's down 9.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 8.1% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. And top rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 14. And market cap right now is sitting at $12 billion and 24-hour trading volume is $3.5 billion. And if we're zooming out, guys, still in the last 30 days, we are up a staggering 117.4%, and in the last 14 days, 44.4%. So everything is looking very, very healthy. So I want to share this article with you guys, and that is VeChain was featured on KuCoin's 60s crypto gem. VeChain is attractive to businesses looking to reduce supply chain friction and provide a more transparent impression to clients. So that is very, very bullish. If you guys want to watch the video, I will leave this a link in the description box below for you guys to check out. And also, Sunny Lu and Peter Zhao to conduct an AMA on cryptocurrency subreddit. On 23rd April, which was yesterday, VeChain Foundation shared an exciting news with the community about upcoming Ask Me Anything to be conducted by CEO Sunny Lu and Chief Scientist at VeChain Peter Zhao on Reddit, largest cryptocurrency community. According to the update, the AMA will play out in a few days' time. However, the actual date and time of the event have not been announced, but the VeChain community members are already looking forward to such a day with Sunny Lu and Peter Zhao. So, on this AMA, I believe they will answer some questions that we all have been, wanting to know. So, if you guys want to take part of this, go on their Reddit and join that group. So this was their tweet. We have exciting developments in work. Interested? Join us next week for an AMA with CEO Sunny Lu and Peter Zhao on Reddit's largest crypto community, boasting 2.3 million subs. Exact date and time will be announced. So if you guys want to keep track when this AMA will be, I strongly encourage you guys to go follow VeChain Foundation on Twitter, and I believe they will update us over there. And this would be an amazing opportunity in my opinion, and maybe your questions can be answered. So this is very good for the VeChain community. So I had to share this with you guys. But now let's jump into the price analysis. So if we're looking at the price, guys, we are seeing VeChain hovering around that 18.2 cents level right now. As you guys may know, yesterday we went all the way back up to 20, almost 21 cents, but we had a pullback because Bitcoin again went down to $49,000. And as you guys may know, when Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down. But VeChain is holding very well. And one thing I want to share with you guys is, first, let's check how far it's come since the dip that we saw, the wick all the way down. We have come up. Since the wick, we have come up 38.5% since we have wicked all the way down there. But one thing that I really want to share with you guys is this. Let's bring out this first, and then you guys could see the picture way better. So, if we are looking at VeChain's price, yesterday Bitcoin was being stable for a while, and that's the major thing that we altcoin holders want to see. In order for altcoins to see a newer high or head towards their new all-time highs, we need Bitcoin to stay stagnant and trade sideways. But what's very, very bullish in my opinion is that, when Bitcoin was stable, we saw out of all the coins, like there were so many other coins, we saw, VeChain, actually recovering very, very fast yesterday. And, that goes to show that, interest level there really is built on VeChain and how much people really believe in the project itself. Because yesterday we were recovering very, very fast, and as you guys can see, we almost touched 21 cents yesterday. And as you guys know, I've said this in my previous video, this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level is extremely, extremely strong support. And look where we are sitting right now, guys. We are exactly sitting in that range, and there's a lot of support built up around this level. What I would like to see now, this is what I would like to see. As long as Bitcoin does not come out and have another shake off, which we always have to, consider, guys. But, I believe Bitcoin should be able to trade sideways around even that 49K level or 50K level and just consolidate for a while. And what I would like to see for VeChain is to trade in this range now. Trade in this 0.50 range, which is between 17, yeah, so 17 cents, or in this green range. We just trade sideways, accumulate. We should just accumulate, accumulate, accumulate for a while, and then we break out. That would be extremely, extremely healthy. And even if we go up, we have a lot of support around this level, but now this is a resistance. This became a resistance, so we have to break this level first, which is the so the 38.2 is at roughly 20.2 cents. So yeah, we need to, if we, this became resistance now, but I believe we can easily get to this level because we were there yesterday, but we came back down due to the fact that Bitcoin decided to go down again. And again, guys, we cannot control these moves. In these moves, all you got to do is have patience, and if you really do believe in the project, just hold, because your patience will be rewarded. And always, invest where you can afford to lose. I can never stress that enough. And yeah, guys, like in cryptos, I know there's a lot of newcomers coming into the markets. I have a lot of new viewers that said this is their first year in crypto. Guys, in crypto, this is very, very normal occurrence. You guys can even go check dips back in the previous bull run. You guys can go check out the charts. We have seen these kind of movements over and over again. It could be whale manipulation, and it could also be people taking profits. So it could be both reasons. We just do not know that. But it is also very, very healthy for the markets, because when markets are super oversold, we have been seeing newer highs after newer highs after newer highs. There should be some sort of consolidation and correction needed to shake out the weak hands before we do see newer highs. And you do not want to be the weaker hand, guys. Do not be the weak hand, because that's what the point of whales are, to shake out the weak hands. Whenever it's whale manipulated, that's their main priority, to shake out the weak hands. And you guys do not want to be the weak hands. You guys want to hold. If you believe in the project and you did your due diligence and research, just hold, and your patience will be rewarded. And yeah, guys, that's what I want to say about that. And always do tend to take profits here and there. I cannot stress this enough, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money. So taking profits would not hurt at all. But in the immediate short term, I would like for VeChain, as I mentioned, to hover around this range and trade sideways, even at that 20 cents level. Even if it trades sideways around that level, that would be very bullish. And then I would see it break towards its all-time high, which would be around. So if we're here right now, all-time high is currently away 55% away from its all-time high. So I would like VeChain to hover around this range. I'll show you guys. Hover around this range. Hover around this range. And then pop off. And then you guys know my target, 30 cents is the next target for me. We might have be a little bit choppy around this level as well before we do see newer highs. But I believe this is something how it's going to play out, and 30 cents is the next psychological, price point where I could see VeChain hit. And I believe people will take profits around there, and we will see it recover around this 28 cents. Guys, like, I do not have any magic or whatsoever. This is just what I personally think to play out, considering me looking at the charts. But at the end of the day, only time will tell. And yeah, I had to make this quick update for you guys, daily update. You guys requested, you guys love my updates, and I am doing exactly that for you guys. And if we're looking at the Google Trends, guys, you guys can see Google Trends are literally at its all-time high. Like, so this is very bullish. A lot of people are still looking into VeChain, and that is to be expected. As I mentioned so many times, VeChain is being talked about on big channels now, like big YouTube channels, and a lot of TikTokers are also making videos on VeChain, and that brings a lot of exposure. As you guys may know, now social media has changed the investing markets forever, because it helps people promote it, and a lot of people can you'll watch these videos and actually know about these projects before we did not have that. So that does play out a huge role as well. And as you guys may know, I believe VeChain will be listed on Coinbase this year alone, and that will be a big catalyst as well on its own. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up. But before I leave, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for supporting me. We just reached 10,000 subscribers yesterday, so I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for the support. This is just the absolute start. The next goal is 20,000. So yeah, again, thank you so much, and keep supporting me. And always, guys, always invest what you can afford to lose, and do your due diligence. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. And always stay safe out there, guys. Safety is important, health is important, and family is super important, and everything else absolutely comes later, guys. And with that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.